Does packing your makeup travel bag have you like this? Or perhaps you just accidentally packed a bit too much and it became really big and bulky. Yikes! And really, when did buying a teeny tiny tube of toothpaste become triple the price? Well, I know that leaving your typical morning routine can be a bit unnerving, and believe me, as I'm packing for my very first trip to India, I'm quickly running out of room, and I don't want to spend all the time it takes for me to typically get ready in the morning when I could be in line at the Taj Mahal. So today, I'm going to share with you the most adorable and affordable makeup finds that I've picked out to take with me to India. On a typical morning, I like to start my day off with a hot shower and shave my legs. And honestly, it's probably my favorite part of my day. However, I realize that when I'm in India, a bucket shower may not be the most convenient way to shave my legs. Enter travel hack number 1. EOS Evolution of Smooth Dry Shave Cream. Paired with this adorable travel-sized Gillette razor are going to be your match made in heaven. Evolution of Smooth Dry Shave Cream lets you moisturize and shave your legs, no water necessary. Once I'm out of the shower, it's time for a little face assessment. You know, the conversation you have with yourself when you're trying to figure out, do you need full coverage, light coverage, do you need to impress people, or are you just staring at a computer all day? Well, when I'm on vacation, I don't need to make any more decisions than necessary. I just need one-stop coverage, and I found it in the form of ColorMate's Mini Travel Foundation Stick. Let's see how this guy goes. And there you have it. This adorable little ColorMate's travel stick gives you a cakey foundation that almost feels like a powder once it's on. I'd say it's matte, which is my favorite coverage. Okay, now that I'm all perfectly monotone, I'm ready to go check out the Taj Mahal. Just kidding. It's time to contour. So I'm gonna need my brightening powder, my contouring palette, my darker foundation, and my brush. Never mind, because I found the greatest little hack at Dollar Tree of all places. This is our LA Colors contouring pen, and I'm so excited to try it out. This one little tool replaces all of that. Let's give it a go. Okay, this dual-ended stick is going to be both your dark and your bright highlight. And it even comes with a cute little sharpener on the cap. Okay, so it may not be your typical huge contouring kit, but hey, when you've got a contour in the back of a rickshaw, I think this is a pretty great go-to. While we're on the topic of multifunctional makeup tools, right next to the LA Colors contouring stick, you can pick up this convenient lip color, cheek color, and eye color all in one pen, which is really my favorite thing. I had a similar one when I backpacked through Europe, and it worked splendidly. So let's give this one a try. Plus, you can't beat it from Dollar Tree. It's $1.99, basically free. Great! So it's turning about turning out a little more purple than what I expected, but actually that's great news for me because I was thinking that bright pink would look weird on my eyelid. And when you put it on your cheek, it's turning out to be more like a highlighter, which is perfect. So I'd say this is definitely a go, and then you don't have to run the risk of taking all of your expensive lip glosses and lipsticks and having them melt in your purse in the hot, hot Indian sun. Now that I have a little bit of color, which is honestly a strawberry blonde's biggest challenge, it's time for the eye makeup. This is just your typical baby eyeliner, which for travel I love also the LA Color eyeliner from Dollar Tree, and a mini travel size mascara. Really standard, just something you never want to forget when pictures are going to be taken in front of the most iconic buildings in maybe the whole entire world. And now you can finally see my eyes and that I no longer look like an alien. Let's see how tiny all of these things fit together. Will they fit in this teeny tiny little bag? Let's find out. Excellent! I've now transformed all of this into this tiny little bag. And now that I only have to pack this, I have a lot more room for that. Thanks for watching my travel cosmetic hacks. Comment below the ways you've found to save space in your travel cosmetic bag. You'll find the links to all of the products in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe both our Instagram and YouTube channels to stay updated with our latest travel, and the next one is to India. Namaste!